నా ప్రాణమా నా ప్రాణమా నీ కోసమే ఉన్నానమ్మా. ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా, ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా, ఎర్రా బస్ ఎక్కి మళ్ళీ తిరిగి వెళ్ళిపోతా మావా. ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా, ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా, ఎర్ర.
That's a pride.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही है जी, पीठ पर आई जाने रे.
Welcome to my show interview with Neha Palden Media. Today I have a legend. He makes me like, oh my god, I get shivering, I get anxiety, lot of positive energy, internationally known. And it's a proud of Hyderabad, South India legend. None other than, I feel so blessed to introduce him, Ram Miryali Galu. I mean, when I'm sorry, Garu is right? So, did you like my intro? You
Yeah.
were just watching me like anything.
No.
Yes, you're watching me like this. So, Ram Miryali, I want to start with, you are an inspiration for today youth, and I was just going through your background. You started your journey as like in a different way. I mean, I just want a little bit of your profile. It was always a dream to become a musician, composer, or a singer.
It was never my dream, Neha. I worked in different companies, different profiles. Later, when I was in my 30s, I started writing songs and singing. We started a band, and then it started clicking. So, it, till my 30s, I never thought I would be a singer. I was working in different fields.
I heard you in corporate
Yeah,
sector.
I was working as a tax consultant, and then I worked as a promo producer, jingles, and all.
Ram Guru, what's your favorite song? You always sing.
My favorite songs are not the songs that I composed or that I sang. I sing sometimes, devotional verses, maybe Hare Krishna or something, or Shiva's bhajans or something like that, which will keep me calm.
So we should have that 2 minutes and have that spiritual journey with Ram Garu. Hare Krishna. I'm also Krishna Bhakt, so I want it.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
But your band, Chaurasta, oh my God, like how you all get together, convincing all the partners, how you got, what was the journey like?
So that was long back. I was with Saurashtra for 2 years. Later, we broke up, and
Broke up?
yeah, like we broke up, and we're all doing fine.
Huh.
And Chaurasta is still doing good songs, and I'm doing by myself. I'm doing films, I'm doing independent songs, and everything is happening. So it happened. I think we all had to start somewhere. So Chaurasta was a magic, and Chaurasta was a miracle for all of us.
Yes.
All in all
I
in
think
all
that
our lives.
song still
Yeah.
in the hearts
Yeah,
of
Urel Pota
youngsters.
Mama and so many
We can
songs.
have that little bit. Your
Maybe-
remembrance?
ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా, ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా, ఎర్ర బస్ ఎక్కి మళ్ళీ తిరిగి వెళ్ళిపోతా మావా. ఏ ఊరెళ్తావు రామా, ఏ ముందని వెళ్తావు రామా, ఊరన్న పేరే తప్ప తీరంతా మారే రామా. ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా, ఊరెళ్ళిపోతా మావా.
So Chaurasta still going? Are you going around?
Chaurasta is still going, though I am not part of it. I love Chaurasta, and we have done so much good work in Chaurasta. But still, we are coming up with so many beautiful songs.
Reunite will be there.
Maybe we can. What is that? What is wrong?
Okay.
Sometime we can do it.
Okay. And sir, you always connect to the generation. College going people are so much connected with you. When you go for spiritual things, I have seen your concert where you're singing spiritually, all generation connect. How you see that change? You think it's your achievement?
See, I wrote what I felt. See, Sadhguru is my guru, and I could do something in my capacity. Is what I can write. Like I have a little bit of gift that I can write and sing. So that's what I could do for my guru, Sadguru. So because they all came from my heart, maybe people connected so well. It is not put together to just impress Sadguru or impress people. It is just my experience and my feelings that I put into songs. And if you liked it, I'm glad.
No, we, of course, about this is not the, we have no words to express. But I want to know how you connected with Sadhguru Garu.
I've been watching his videos since very long time, like 2009, 2010. Then I did my inner engineering program in 2013, which is like the basic program that you do to know what they offer from Isha. So I did that program and then I started practicing regularly, and then I got in touch with Sadhguru in person. Like, I could be seated in his satsangs, and then I did some jingles for him while I was doing in radio, and then wrote some songs. Then
Yes.
gradually sang some 4-5 songs
I want to
for
feel
him.
that one. I know that always we go in another aura. So can we have that? The Sadhguru ka.
హే శివ 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 అంటూనే శివనామ స్మరణ చేయవే ఓ మనసా. హే శివ 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 అంటూనే శివనామ స్మరణ చేయవే ఓ మనసా, నీలోన శివుని గాంచవే. శివ 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 అంటూనే శివనామ స్మరణ చేయవే ఓ మనసా, నీలోన శివుని గాంచవే.
And internationally, I'm seeing some video where you're going internationally and singing Telugu songs. That's a pride. So I'll just give you 4 situations, whether it's your favorite song or any other song. You can just give the line also when you're happy.
Hey, le, 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 le. Yes, we'll say something. What is it?
And I suddenly say you be sad now.
I'm not.
Your emotions.
You can't make me sad.
So sad mein what comes to your mind?
किसने तोड़ा दिल हमारा, ये कहानी
क्या बात।
है सही.
अरे वाह.
हमको किसके गम ने मारा, ये कहानी पे सही.
लव. लव में ले जाती हूँ आपको मैं.
लव ना प्राणमा, ना प्राणमा నీ కోసమే ఉన్నానమ్మా.
I'm in a party mood.
DJ Tillu.
That comes to your mind, and a song for your wife.
चुपके चुपके रात दिन आंसू बहाना याद है, हमको अब तक आशिकी का वो जमाना याद है. चुपके चुपके रात दिन आंसू बहाना याद है.
So then how it sparked you? Because mostly people take risk at the time of when they're 20s and 30s where suddenly what was a click time? Because we always think 30s ho gaya yaar. I mean, is that how I need to go about it? Your family pressures, your, everybody discourage you. Singing, because you were not professionally also dealing with that. That's a sparking point I wanted to know.
You need to be little risk taking sometimes. And risk taking in the sense, don't worry so much about life. I think life will, some or the other way you can live. So I think I thought if this doesn't work also, I can somehow live, like,
Good.
you can have that confidence in you that you can make your life. So you can take small risks, and that risk made all this career for me. Like, I came out of all those corporate jobs that I was doing, and we started a band, and from band to films. Now we're writing more songs independently and films and everything.
Now you're successful. Once you're successful, everybody comes in. I want to know the struggle point where you get discouraged and there was a people around you coming you, no, this is not the right time to go about it. I want this, because so many youngsters out there, and these are the hidden stories. Like legends like Shankar Mahadevan, he was into IT. I've seen most of the singers, they are engineers.
See, when you want to take a step like this, everyone will discourage you, because the society looks for comfort. The society looks for kind of secured lives. So even everyone, all my managers while I was leaving my previous job, they said, don't take a step like this. You will come back
Okay.
to me asking for a job again. I will definitely give you, but don't take this step. So this kind of talks will definitely happen. But it's okay. Take
But
risk.
when you realize I can sing well, is that appreciations must be happening. You were singing in the house or in friends group. When you realized,
See, I've been always singing,
okay,
not like a professional singer, in bhajans at home with friends. All this is happening, but not. I never thought I will make it as a singer in my as a profession. So that's what I was saying. People will discourage you, but see, I also had to work two jobs at the same time when I had to choose this.
okay,
I was doing band.
okay.
I was singing in the band, and also I was doing a day job. So you have to work in the day, sing in the night, have a little bit of rest, and come morning to the office and do the. So you need to, if your passion is something like that, you need to do that hard work, and you don't call that as an hard work because you have to
Wow.
do it with love. Only when you have so much love for your art, you can do this.
We do get nowhere. And DJ, how come to your life? DJ Tillu. I think still people, college people, and then the concerts. I think the first song, this is the always the demand, sir. And even the internationally and nationally, people have talking about this song. How you take that?
See, films are not in my control. It is not out of my mind or my heart. So the film demanded this. Sidhu Janalgada, my brother, he asked for this song, and I made it, and it was
But how you got
rightly
that
struck
idea?
for both of us. Like we could strike on the point, and it worked out for all of us. Yes.
But how you got that idea? Like you went somewhere or clicked that idea. DJ,
No,
obviously the
nothing. See,
concept was there.
this film is about Hyderabadi guy.
Yes, that is
Okay, he's a DJ. It's not a big DJ. He's a
Local,
local
yeah.
DJ. So I've been in Hyderabad for last 20 years. So I know what music plays in Hyderabad.
But
so
you made this DJ Tillu internationally, from local to internationally. And DJ Tillu, when sung by Mike Sang, I was missing you, sir. Very honestly, I'm saying it. Did they offer you to sing in Hindi?
he's a great singer. I can't comment on that. But definitely, once you heard someone singing it, the second person you'll still prefer the first one. Maybe that's
Did
why
you heard that DJ Tillu in Hindi?
I didn't hear. I mean,
You didn't hear
I
that?
know that it is done in Hindi.
Hindi also,
I
yes.
didn't hear.
You didn't hear. So now we are seeing, sir, like U and Tawa, that folk singers, and music from Hyderabad is becoming famous pan India. Like Ranu, when I was in Miss World, oh my God, everybody was talking about that. They were talking about your song. How you take this? You people have actually the folk song, the oxygen you guys have given and made it internationally. How you take that?
See, we are not giving any oxygen. The folk songs are already there.
Yeah, but locally.
This has come from our previous generations, and they have got it from their previous generations. This has been there in our land, in our Telugu land. It is now that it is being explored, and it is very much needed that if you think of Hyderabad, you need to know the local music of the Hyderabad or Telangana. You need to know the local music of Telangana. What is sung there in the villages
Yes.
among the people. It is not always the film music that you want to represent a state or any community. So I think it is a nice thing that is happening to us is that the folk, the local songs or the local music is coming out as a identity to
Yes.
this land or the language.
So have you seen Big Boss Mein now? That Ram Rathod sir has gone. The Ranu, you must be knowing him very well. So I mean, what you say now they're going to Big Boss. If this offer also comes to you, will you go to the Big Boss?
No.
We can see you because now the folk singers, our singers are going in the big platform reality shows. Can we see you, sir?
It's their personal interest. I don't have interest in going to Big Boss or anywhere.
Or you want to say something to him? A
No,
message?
all the best to all the big boss or participants or whoever it is.
So how you see when you go internationally outside countries and you sing Telugu songs and how they respond? I've been seeing some of your videos. People were like lost. So how I just want you to share the moments.
So see, if someone comes to Hyderabad from Africa
Huh.
and sing their folk tunes or sing their music and drum with their drums and music, would you not be interested to just go see them for some time at least? 5 minutes you'll spend on the
Okay.
roads, right?
Okay.
That's what we did in Scotland and England in some places, some cities when we were traveling there for shows. We were going to the nearby places and singing on roads just to. It is not to. We were not trying to showcase our art or talent or our anything. Nothing of that. We just wanted to check ourselves. How good are we? Like, and if we go onto the street and sing, will people come and listen to you? So people came. They were appreciating our music.
Yes.
People from different countries who live there, like in Africans.
Yes, I've seen that
Some of the
video.
Europeans came. They asked what kind of music we were singing, where do we come from, and all that stuff. It was interesting, and it was a nice experience for us personally. I don't know how they felt, but in singing in beautiful places
No, but
in
when
front of
Miss
churches and everywhere.
Scotland, I was doing her interview. She was reminding you. I shown your photo, and she wanted to know who's the singer for DJ Tillu.
Oh,
So
okay,
that's
okay.
why I was connecting with that. I'll share the video, Miss Scotland. She was talking, ding ding ding. The DJ song is there. So she was trying to sing. That so
Okay.
many people have appreciated. That's great. Goes to you. So from there, I think she has picked it. So I mean, really great, sir. I mean, the talking about Sadhguru Garu, your journey, every spiritual thing. When it comes to love life, as a Ram Garu love life, what love means for you?
See, but I'm still figuring it out. I don't know what love is.
But you're married, right?
I'm
you
married.
met your partner, life
Love-
partner.
Love has nothing to do with marriage.
Why?
Marriage has nothing to do with
It
love.
was love or
See, but
arranged?
it's a love marriage. I'm
Okay.
telling you,
Yeah.
you should have a bondage more than love in marriage. I think love will just fade off in some time, even if you're married. Like, you think the love will go on, the same kind of love
But
will
it
go on
has to
forever.
go. But it
No,
has to
it
go.
is. It's not
Love
the same.
connects you.
No, I'm not saying. I don't love my wife, or I don't. She doesn't love. It's not about that. The attraction that you have in the beginning will not be there throughout. That attraction is very strong. If you think that will sustain the whole life and you will be like that, you are cheating yourself. You need to be prepared with greater purpose with each other. Like, you need to
Okay.
have that friendship, that bondage, and the trust, and what else? Being there for each other. This just can't happen with love.
Okay.
Yeah, that attraction will fade off in some time, but the relationship, more than that what you have in the during the attraction, that will keep you connected. And
But it was love marriage. It was where you met your wife.
we work together.
Okay. You
In
were
a
single that
corporate
time
office.
or in a job?
No, I was not singing. We worked
Okay.
in a company. We worked together for 5 years. And at the end of 5th year, we thought, let us marry, because we were very good friends for 4 years.
Okay.
Then we just thought of marrying. And then,
That's a very good point that you change your career. And after marriage, there I wanted the support, how it gone, bonding, experiencing and sharing your thought and convincing your wife that I'm here to change my profile. How it works.
it was a great support. That's what I'm saying. It is not just you. You can't just do everything alone. You need your wife's support. You need your parents, or at every stage. You need your family's support to just if they will have doubts whether will he make it, what will
Yeah.
happen to the family and daily things. But they had some trust, and they supported, and the
She
love.
gives compliments and discourage you also.
Yeah,
No,
I
this is not good. You should do it like this. You listen
Yeah.
to her about songs.
Yes, definitely. I make her listen to all the songs that I do, like in the initial stage. I take her opinion. Not that she is a great musician. It's not about that. Just as a common person, she'll tell me what is working good with that song, what is nice in that song. If that something is not wrong, she will just tell me. As a layman, I just wanted to just give her opinions.
Okay,
I
so
just
you
make her
have the
listen.
person who tell you the truth.
Yeah.
That's great.
I make my daughter listen to it. I make my wife listen
I was coming
to it.
to that point.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because daughter opinions are always biased because as a father.
But I train them in such a way that unless they vibe to the song, they will not say good things about it. If they're
Okay.
really good, they will ask once again. They will ask me to play the song once again. So then I will understand that it is interesting.
So your daughter, what best compliment she has given to you? And she said, no, Papa, this is not working. Which song it was? I mean, you can just share it. The best compliment you have got ever from your daughter.
From my daughter,
Yeah.
she used to be nice when she was young. Now she is not appreciating anything. She used to sing all the songs. Chitti, Uril Pata.
song, yeah.
All those songs she used to sing. Now she has become too much of a critic.
Okay. That's good, right?
Yeah.
So she don't want to follow your profession or love for your
We don't.
profession?
She's young. We do. Why
Okay.
do we put this pressure on these
No,
children
sometimes
at
it
that
genuinely comes in DNA, you know.
age? That's her wish. If she wants to sing, then let her sing.
And sir, if you get an opportunity to sing in Hindi, Hindi fascinates you, Bollywood singing fascinates you.
See, singing is singing. If I can, as long as I can pronounce it properly, if I'm not spoiling the beauty of language, I would love to sing any language.
So you hear Hindi songs, right?
I love to.
You love
listen.
the singers.
I
Any one
love-
of your favorite?
I love Arijit Singh
Okay.
is my all-time favorite,
Okay. And?
and I used to listen to Kishore Kumar ji, and because that's how I know a few songs from Bollywood, and but I listen to a lot of ghazals from Mehdi Hasan,
Okay.
Ghulam Ali Sahab.
So one Hindi song, can we hear it? Your favorite?
हंगामा है क्यों बरपा थोड़ी सी जो पीली है डाका तो नहीं डाला डाका तो नहीं डाला चोरी तो नहीं की है हंगामा है क्यों बरपा थोड़ी सी जो पीली है
Ram
I'm
Garu.
sorry if I'm
Ram
wrong,
Garu.
going
Arey,
wrong with the
I'm
words.
into this. I listen ghazals. I go in that aura. Obviously now people comes to you, they have selfies, they have a fan moment. Do you have any fan moment in your life? You want to meet that person in your life?
I always wanted to meet Ilayaraja sir.
Okay. That
Just meet and see him or just bow down, touch his feet. That's all I wanted to do. And I could do that and it's enough for me.
I mean your fan moment is done.
Done.
When you met him?
I met him when I was working in radio. We had an opportunity to interview him. My RJ was interviewing and he knows that I love him. So he took me along with him and I was there throughout the interview and I just could see, not that you want to say anything. I don't want to tell him that I'm a big fan of him and your music is. He already knows how great musician he is.
Yes.
Who are we to say any word, any single word. I just didn't open my mouth. I just saw him, touched his feet and came.
So your fan moment is done.
That's it.
Your wishes are done.
That's
And I want a relationship tip from you. Now, how many years of your marriage?
It's been 10 years.
10 years. Good.
Yeah.
Good time. So what tip you would like to give all the youngsters, because you are an icon for youngsters who gets into breakups, who get into the relationships, Now the trend have changed. Might be your daughter one time, she must
See, but my suggestions will not work. This 10 years of gap, there's so much change in the society, in their relationships and everything. If I say something, it is Ramayana or Mahabharata. I don't want to say anything. Just enjoy life. Have great love. Fall in love. Fall out of love.
Fall out of love.
Fail. Okay, break your hearts. You'll know life more about. You'll know life more only when you fail in love or
Yes.
you need to take some strokes in your life.
That's very important point, because we need these kind of videos where breakups, people talk about the role models like you, people who youngsters follow you. You had your breakup. How did you came out of that?
Me, I had too many breakups.
Too many. Too many.
Yeah.
In your school, college.
If someone is so much loving, they will have more
Okay.
heartbreaks.
Till that, can I count on my fingers?
I didn't count, but I think there are a lot of.
So you came out. There was no depression, no
Yeah,
anxiety.
you come out and you will fall in love again, right?
Okay. So your theory is that we can fall in love again and again.
Again and again.
So this one is true love.
Which one?
The marriage.
Every love is true love. The first one, the failed one, every love is true love. As long as it was working for it was there. I mean, even I love all my girlfriends. Ex-girlfriends. What is there to hate? We had great times, love.
So now the next suit will be when you're receiving your national award.
Maybe.
You will.
Thank
sir.
you.
And thank you so much, Ram Garu. I want to end with some Shiva or ending with a nice bhajan.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही है जी पीड़ पराई जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही है जी पीर पड़ाई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान ना जाने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जी.
Thank you so much. You
Thank you,
touched
thank
the
you.
hearts. So, for
Thank
more
you.
updates, keep watching Polton Media. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you.